얼굴에 살이 되게 없는 편인데 광대랑 턱이 있는데 볼살만 없으니까 여기 되게 그림자 가지고 좀 해골 같아 보인다는 소리를 많이 듣고 자랐어요. 어렸을 때부터. 친구들도 너 해골 같다 이런 말 할 때마다 좀 크게 상처를 받아서 그런 부분을 좀 극복하고자 수술을 하게 됐어요.
오늘 수술 날이라서 지금 병원 앞에 와 있는데 너무 떨리고 어제 저녁부터 사실 막 긴장되고 그래서 잠은 제대로 못 잤는데 그래도 수술 잘 될 거 생각하니까 오늘 아침부터 기분은 되게 좋아요. 잘 다녀올게요.
저 이제 수술실 들어가는데 수술 잘 받고 오겠습니다. 안녕. 이쪽으로 오세요.
이제는 거울 보는 것도 되게 즐겁고요. 또 예전에는 사진 찍을 때 볼살 없는 것 때문에 항상 볼에 바람을 넣고 사진을 찍었었는데 이제는 그런 것도 없고 또 남자친구도 예뻐졌다고 되게 좋아해요. 15년 협진 병원이다 보니까 아무래도 체계적으로 관리도 잘 해주시고요. 경과 보러 올 때마다 붓기 확인도 항상 해주시고 에스테틱 관리도 해주시면서 붓기 케어 진짜 꼼꼼히 잘 해주셨고요. 이태희 원장님, 이진수 원장님 제 얼굴 되게 예쁘게 잘 만들어주셔서 정말 감사하고요.
First, she had her nose bridge increased by having an implant added, and then a double osteotomy was performed to make her nose narrower. As well as this, she also had her nose tip raised via tiplasty. This is done to reduce the width of the nose slightly, to refine the nose, and to give the nose tip a sharper point. There are several methods which vary depending on the severity of the case. For simple cases, the nose tip is adjusted via tying. For more difficult cases, the nose tip is tied internally and cartilage is grafted to the nose tip. This cartilage can come from the septum or the ear if needed. For complex cases, a strut has to be created from the cartilage to support the tip. The initial incision was made via the columella to open up the nose. This is how an open rhinoplasty is performed, which is the preferable method, opposed to a closed rhinoplasty, as the best results are from when the surgeon is able to see the work he is doing. Jimin wanted her eyes to look larger, therefore she had double eyelid surgery to achieve this. It is a type of procedure where the skin around the eyelid is reshaped to give the eye a double fold as opposed to a monolid. It is a versatile surgical method that can remove fat and control various tissues to achieve a long-lasting double fold crease. This procedure uses a full incision on the eyelid and manipulates various tissues of the eyelids, such as the skin, fat and muscle, to create a natural but defined crease. Almost anyone is suitable for this type of method. This procedure can benefit people who have thick eyelids with excess fat, people with asymmetric eyelids, and people looking for revision surgery. After this, she had fat grafting performed on her cheeks as she felt that her hollow face was taking away from her overall youthful appearance. Fat grafting is when fat is transferred from one area to another to add volume. The fat is gently removed using liposuction and is then injected into the face. This produces a very natural appearance and there is little risk of infection or rejection of the body. Common treatment areas are between the nose and lips, marionette lines, flattened cheeks, sagging jaws, and hollows under the eyes. It is recommended to have fat repositioning done a second time, as the fat reabsorption rate can be somewhere between 20% to 90%. Fat survival depends on the fat removal area, fat harvesting method, and recipient site. Lastly, she had facial contouring, which consisted of mandible reduction, which is performed to smoothen the jawline to reveal a softer and curved looking face. Suitable candidates for this surgery are people who have an overly square or U-shaped jawline, overly masculine jaw shape, bloated or chubby cheeks, or a double chin. However, a surgical consultation with your surgeon is necessary to determine which procedure would be best suited to your particular circumstances. As well as this, she also had zygoma reduction, which is the reduction of the cheekbone. Again, here you can see how the V-line surgery decreased the bulkiness of her face and gave her an overall smaller looking jaw. She had mandible reduction surgery, zygoma reduction, fat repositioning, V-line carving surgery, double eyelid surgery, and a hump nose rhinoplasty. If you are inspired by Jimin's transformation, why not contact us for a free consultation?
Seoul is the capital of plastic surgery, skin, dental, vision correction, and other medical treatments. Seoul Guide Medical is here to find you the best doctors, the best procedures, and take care of you from start to finish. Contact us at consult@seoulguidemedical.com for a free consultation with our specialists. Let us take care of everything and create a customized treatment plan that is right for you. We help you with airport pickup, accommodations, in-clinic translations, aftercare, and hold your hand every step of the way. Visit our website at seoulguidemedical.com for more information. Seoul Guide Medical. Happy patients, always.